I just had that happen actually in mentorship. We were having a session last week, and someone mentioned that they were having a conversation with another notary. And the other notary was like, well, they only charge such and such. And I was like, wait a minute, where are you located again? When I found out that person's state again, I knew where they were, but when I confirmed rather what state they were in, I'm like, don't listen to the other notary. You're running a business, okay? Now, some notaries are running what Jeffrey calls social work. That's my husband. He's a notary too, for those of you who do not know. Yeah, he said, Kimmi. He said, Kim, is this social work? Because he'll hear me quote a price and he'll be like, oh, okay. We doing social work today, huh? So we are not doing social work. We are running a full-blown business. And that's how you get to 6 figures. And that's how you make money per month, knowing how to price your services. And first of all, knowing how to do the service. And you hear me say all the time, it's not that complicated, but you ain't got no business doing business if you do not know your business. Okay? You don't. You do not have any business out there stamping papers. And some people figure, well, I'll fall back on my errors and omission insurance. Oh, you will? How many times you think that's going to happen before you have no insurance? And again, that's not good to fall back on insurance. It's better to fall back on your knowledge. How about that? Okay. For example, you driving a car, right? And you're going to say, well, I'll just run the lights. I'll have accidents. I got car insurance. No, because eventually your car insurance is going to go up and they're going to get rid of you. Okay. It might even depend on where you live at. If your insurance people get rid of you. All right. So let's just be clear. We need to know exactly what our duties are. And that's why the 2 mentorship programs that we have now will help you to do that. I don't roll out junk, and I'm not going to be playing no games with you. I ain't going to have nothing at a lower price point because I know it's not going to benefit you. It's not. The lowest I could do it for to make sure you benefit, I benefit, my team benefits, and everybody else, because it's a whole process. You know, we got to have weekly sessions. Those sessions require somebody's time and energy, would be at that $27 price point. And I know that that's affordable. And I feel very confident in that. So I'm excited, guys. I could not wait. I almost couldn't sleep. I almost could not sleep. Somebody asking a question here. Oh, they're in the Facebook group. Yeah. So anyway, I'll answer that question shortly. So I am here live in the flesh though. Are there any questions? I see we have more people that joined the room. Any questions about the mentorship program? I hope you are excited. Can I get any kind of emotion today? Everybody's so quiet today. I know y'all in chill mode. Any response at all though about the new program? How you feeling about it? Is it going to help your business? I already know the answer to all this. I'm just making conversation. I already know our mentorship program is amazing. And it's so funny. I always tell them, I said, I'm about to start showing y'all off because they are so shy, right? And we have to get out of being shy, guys. We have to. Why? Because content, social media is the way to go. It's the wave of the future. This is not that channel. I would love to do that channel. I just don't have time. But I don't care what age you are, what stage you are, you got something to talk about. And if you can't start talking about your notary business right now, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. So I try to encourage them to start letting me interview them, letting me help them with social media. As they helping me, they're helping themselves, getting more, getting more confident. Hey, Tamika. Oh, okay. Yeah. Go back and watch the whole thing so you can see the real difference in the program. But you know what? I should show you again right quick. Let me show you Tamika really quick. Hold on. Hang out with me. I'm going to pull it up so I can show you really quick. Hold on. Because somebody else probably going to need to see it too. Because people skip around. And let me show you really quick. Let me show you the startup plan really quick. So the main difference between the two, though, is going to be you don't have access to the live chat. And let me do share screen so you can see what's actually in here. But our live weekly sessions, everybody's coming to the party. The new group and the old group, we are coming together. It's going to be one session every week. Both groups get to participate. And that's the part I'm so excited about, because you may just be starting out and only can afford the lower price entry point right now. And that's cool. But you can still benefit from the knowledge of the other people. So I'm excited. Each one teach one. That's what I say. All right, here we go. Let me show you right quick. So this is the new success Notary Business Success Startup Program, and this is what's included. Okay, $27 per month, and you get Notarize Like a Pro, the specialty course, parts 1 and 2. It's so big, we had to do 2 parts on that one. Notary Business Step by Step, how to build out your business, pricing and marketing, sample general notary documents. There's also deeper dives into acknowledgments and jurats, ID, your journal, customer service tips, because a lot of us don't know how to do basic customer service. So we had to have a whole session on that. When to notarize a document, when to say no, common notary mistakes. So you get access to everything that we've already been going over, in addition to our new information. Okay. So Tanika says, okay, I'll be joining soon. I just got my commission and nothing. Yeah. So you got to know what you're doing, Tanika. Once we get that confidence, you got the information, you know how to actually do your job. That's going to affect everything else. It's a snowball effect. The confidence will come, and before you know it, I got a couple people right now. I'm so proud of them. They're actually doing some social media. So one thing leads to another. I'm telling you, it's nothing like having confidence. Tanika, did you need me to show you the other program right quick? Because I don't mind. Let me just go ahead and do it right quick. Let me just show y'all the other one, because this will happen with the other people too, like come in later. So this is the other program. I'm going to show you really quick a sneak peek into the actual Notary Business Success Mentor Program. Let me do share screen again. Hold on one second. It's this one right here. We're going to do share. So this is the actual other program. So we have 2 now. We're not having 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only going to be 2. It's not going to be 6 different choices, because I already know you're not going to benefit. Anything less than the entry point that I created for you is fluff. And let's just keep it real. Okay. So this is $47, this program here. Again, Notarize Like a Pro, the estate trust courses in there, build your business, notary marketing essentials. That's a little bit deeper than the other course. Start translation services, fingerprinting, wedding officiant, field inspection. I cannot tell y'all the number of people that in our mentorship program that started doing field inspections that are killing the game. Okay. They didn't know anything about it until I brought it to them, and now they are killing the game. Okay. Loan signing course complete, how to prepare for a loan signing, this is the replay, how to counter offer. So everything you need literally though is in this course. And we got the replay, some of the topics that we've discussed. Let me show you right quick. Here are, get down here, some open topics we already talked about, but also included so many, guys, because it's so much. You think, oh, I don't need no training. Do you think you need training after watching this? Apostille services replay, common mistakes, how to price your services, how to add a notary block, steps to signing up with signing companies, how to brand, how to accept payments. I mean, look at all this, guys. And this ain't fluff. These are real sessions every week. Book tipping keeps, notary signing agent profile reviews. We actually go through your loan signing review. So, I mean, your profile to see, hey, how that profile looking? Because if your profile ain't right, okay, you got a problem too. So this ain't fluff over here. Again, the way notary educators do it, we ain't flashing, we ain't flossing, but we making stuff happen, okay? But they get ready to come out the closet over here, because I'm telling you, I got to start showing these people off, okay? They are doing too many great things not to be broadcasting, and they getting on my nerves. And I love my people, but they so shy. Oh my God. I'm like, and I know everybody's not like me, so I get it. So Tanika said, yeah, so great. So she saw it. So Tanika, we look forward to having you. Just kind of see what worked best for you. But again, we're so excited about the new program, and I know everybody's going to benefit from it. I do. So I'm excited. You got your $27 entry point and your $47 entry point. You can change at any time, but you need to change like the following month, or you'll just be paying for 2 sessions 1 month, because we can't just let you start here, cancel here, start here, cancel there, and get money back and all that. It's, you know, we're not going to do that. We are not. I run my business uncomplicated. I tell you to do the same thing. I'm all about uncomplications. So that's why when I tell people, Not a Buddha boss. How are you? Welcome. So when I tell you that you should make your business uncomplicated for your clients, I mean that, even for myself. And that's why I don't understand when people say, well, hey, you can't take Zelle, you can't take Cash App, you can't take, well, I'm like, why not? Pay me however you have to, give me my money, because I need to make it simple for my client.